Worried about how you are going to afford a comfortable retirement? Build your lifestyle business today with this step-by-step method. And live without financial worries tomorrow and in retirement, even without knowledge. You can't afford to retire poor. For years, the problem of pension systems is well known: cuts, reductions, privations. You name it. You are afraid that if something doesn't happen soon, all hope may be lost. No more food on the table or a roof over your head at some point down the line. So, I have to reassure you and tell you my story, to prove to you that anyone can build their lifestyle business. And yet, it wasn't going well because I didn't know anything about marketing. And I had already gone bankrupt with online stores. Luckily, I discovered a community of like-minded entrepreneurs that changed my life. And will change your results too. I will tell you about it in a moment. And I know your frustration because, like me, you have tried to trade on Amazon, on eBay, or your own online store. But don't earn enough money at the end of the month, and you end up with a garage full of useless stock. Click on the link near this video to start your lifestyle business and create balance in your life. In reality, you don't need a better product that will end up in your garage. Or try to put your products on Wix or a new online sales platform. All you need is a valid method and the support that will allow you to sell any product online, even without having any product. Imagine for a moment the time saved if you had an excellent method. Imagine waking up every morning happy, with the freedom to do what you love, and peace of mind for your retirement. Imagine the vacation, imagine the feeling of well-being, and the end of the ball in the belly. Imagine the bank account in the green, and your banker and your spouse happy. After many weeks of research, I found a global community of digital entrepreneurs. They are ready to help complete beginners, like us, make the transition to a laptop lifestyle. I decided to watch some free video workshops that they sent me. And I am so very grateful I did. Because this video first helped me come up with basic business ideas. I didn't have a clue what type of business I wanted to run, or even what was even possible. Then they showed me step by step how to build my own fully automated online business from scratch. With this free video series, you will understand how to earn your income on the internet with the success formula. This will allow you to stop trading your time for money. But you can make this transition while keeping your current job at first. Become happy to get up every morning and do what you love. Decide how much time you spend on your business and how much time you spend with your loved ones. You will secure your future with a recession-proof business model. You will have peace of mind for your retirement. This video series is usually sold for over $500, but this is today a free video series. Take it seriously, even if it is free. All you have to do is invest a little time to watch them over the next 4 days. Is it too much to change your life, fill your bank account? Is it too much to secure your retirement and live a life of balance and happiness? But beware, this offer is not for everyone, and will not get you anywhere if you are unwilling to invest in yourself. If you are not ready to invest at least 30 minutes a day until you change your life. If you are looking for a way to get rich quick. If you are not willing to be open-minded to learn new skills and do things differently. And if you don't want to change your mindset but want to stay poor. If you act now, I have a bonus for you that you can enjoy today. A special bonus training webinar just for you. I don't ask you to take my word for it. You can listen to the testimony, among others, of Greg and Fiona Scott. They completely changed their lives and became retired globetrotters. Click immediately on the link next to this video and build your peace of mind for your retirement. You only have the time of this video to decide. Do you want to act and change your life? Or do you want to stay the same and have no progress in 1 year? Are you sure you will have enough pension to retire with peace of mind? And I must also tell you that you don't take any risks. Because you can start in parallel with your work or your current pension. If you are open to learning new things, want more of life, and peace of mind for retirement, I strongly recommend that you click the link and judge for yourself. I remember thinking this all sounds way too good to be true. But thinking back now, it was an amazing opportunity that presented itself to me at the right time in my life, and I didn't want to pass it up. It is the right time for you to explore an alternative lifestyle. If so, you know what to do. There is no harm in taking a look.